Welcome to this video and today's video about digital marketing. And don't forget to watch till the end. What is digital marketing and how to use it? A lot of people using phones, laptops, browsing social media, and they don't know digital marketing. Digital marketing, you've heard the term, maybe even used it, but what does it really mean? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break it all down. So even if you're starting from zero, you'll walk away knowing exactly what digital marketing is, why it matters, and how to use it. Text block definition with bold keywords. Icons of email, social media, search. Digital marketing is the promotion of products or services through digital channels like websites, social media, search engines, email, and apps. At its core, digital marketing means reaching people online where they already spend their time. Whether it's Google, Instagram, or email, it's all about visibility. 8 billion internet users, 90% of people search online before buying today. If you're not online, you don't exist, at least in the eyes of potential customers. Digital marketing helps businesses build trust, attract attention, and ultimately grow. Faster and cheaper than traditional methods. Grid layout showing 6 categories, each with icons plus short text. Each gets its own 20 to 30 second highlight. Let's walk through the main branches of digital marketing. 1. SEO, search engine optimization, helps your website show up on Google without paying for ads. SEM, search engine marketing, paid ads that show up instantly in search results. Content marketing, blogs, videos, infographics, content that builds trust over time. Social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, where engagement turns into traffic. Email marketing, still powerful, sends messages straight to inboxes. Affiliate and influencer marketing, leverage other people's platforms and audiences. Funnel animation, awareness, interest, decision, action. Think of digital marketing like a funnel. You create awareness with content or ads. Then you build interest, maybe with a free resource. Next, you help them decide, perhaps using reviews or testimonials. And finally, you guide them to take action, like buying or signing up. All the tools you've learned, they work together in this flow. Let's say you're opening a coffee shop. You create a website, use SEO to get found, post launch deals on Instagram, run a Google ad for best coffee near me, collect email for loyalty rewards. Boom. That's digital marketing in action. Simple text overlay plus background montage of earlier visuals. So, to recap, digital marketing is how modern businesses connect with modern customers. It's about showing up where they are with a message that matters. Pick one channel. Start small. Be consistent. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe, like, or drop a comment below.